The U has an extended family. Let's look at these letters together. Once you can create the U shape, finishing it on the dotted line, you can create the U family. U, V, W and Y. Now, starting on the upstroke, make the U, finishing on the red line. Starting on an upstroke to the red line, do the V, the Roman V finished up, so it's going to finish on the red line, and the ligature or joining stroke will be a garland under the red line and back to the red line. The W, start on an upstroke, make the W and finish with a garland horizontal join. The Y, start on an upstroke, down, finishing like a U shape, all the way down to the bottom of the grid, then swinging all the way back and finishing on the red line. The letters A, C, D, G and Q are also part of the U family. Once again, start for a C, start on an upstroke, lift your pen to the red line, hang the C from the red line, touching your upstroke as you come down, and finish on the red line. The D, the same action. You start with your entry stroke, make the shape of the U in the bottom there, swing up to the top, down, create the U shape again, back to the red line. I'm going up to make, is what they said in the old days. A G. I'm going up to make. A Q. I'm going up to make. Q. U. The following letters also fall into the U family. Always start again with your upstroke. This is the secret to relaxed and legible penmanship. Always start with that first stroke. Lift the pen to the middle and create a U shape on the dotted line, finish on the red line. The O, start with an upstroke, hang the O from the red line and put the spacing stroke after it. From the top of the O, make a garland, move one space away and finish on the red line. The I is very similar to the U, and put the dot low and close to the top of the I. The T, I'm going up to make. This is a half ascending letter, it's not a full tall letter. Cross it on the line. And the L, I'm going up to make all the way to the top. Down, make a U shape and finish on the red line. To feel the effect of the anti-clockwise U shape as it affects handwriting, we will trace the word little. Start on an upstroke. L, I, T, T, L, E. Finish on the red dot on the red line. L, I, T, T, L, E. This is a dominant anti-clockwise movement. L, I, T, T, L, E. Finish on the red line. Now we've finished little, let's do the word duty. Starting on the red dot with our I'm going up to make stroke. Then go over onto the red line, D, U, T, Y. Trace the letters. Feel the rhythm. I'm going up to make. D, U, T, Y. Now if you need to lift off at the red line and reposition your pen so that you feel balanced. D, pause here. U, pause on the red line. T, pause on the red line. Y, and pause to finish. And lift your pen.